What's your name? Where are you from?
Justin Ford with Creative Concrete Solutions out of Murfreesboro, Tennessee, about a half hour south of Nashville. Business is predominantly overlays and concrete construction. We also dabble with pool builds, so we're going to try to get into the vertical application, which is where y'all came in.
Sure. Have you done any vertical at all up to this point?
Done some vertical stamping a handful of years back with
Okay.
some mediocre products.
Tell me one thing in this class that you kind of like maybe caught you by surprise, or was that aha moment that you went, I can't wait to get back and try that?
Foam core construction in general, because it's newer to me, so that was a big wow factor of the ease of how you can work with foam core, and then workability of the product as far as being able to go back and add details an hour or so later and get finite details at that point in time.
Nice. Gonna put you on the spot. What do you think of Warren as an instructor?
He's really good, super knowledgeable, and takes not only the application, but the artistic approach to it is some of the best I've ever seen.
Nice. What do you think, what would you say if you had the opportunity, if someone was on the fence of taking this class or not, what would you say to them?
I would say, hands down, come. Cost of training and everything is very comparable to a whole lot of other companies, and I've played with enough products at this point that I would say this is one of the better ones that I've ever messed with from a vertical application.
Nice. What would you say about really, what do you think about the blend of lecture versus hands-on?
It's been a really good balance. In this industry, we're always going to be more hands-on. So to sit behind a desk for 5 hours and touch product for 2 hours, you don't really get any benefit of that. We've stayed dirty most of the day, hands-on training, which is outstanding.
Awesome. Thanks so much. Can't wait to see what you guys rock out with.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.